My name is Rob Keith. I'm an attorney at Rembolt Ludtke in Lincoln, Nebraska. Primary focus of my practice is mediation and resolution of disputes.
I'm Jane Langenbach. I'm a family law attorney and mediator here at Rembolt Ludtke. I've been here 30 years. Mediation is a form of alternative dispute resolution that allows parties to come to their own decisions about their dispute rather than submitting it to a court or others for decision.
We are, to my knowledge, the largest and probably the most distinguished mediation practice group in the state because of the wide array of individuals and topics in which we mediate.
We mediate all across the state. We mediate for lots of different attorneys and for lots of different clients. All of us who mediate make that a significant part of our practice, and so we'll be able to offer those services for a very long time.
Tim Engler, Jane Langenbach, and Ryan Sworoff are three other mediators. I don't know of any other firm that has four mediators in them that allows us to fit the needs of our clients because each one of us has different skill sets. Each one of us is a different age. Each one of us is a different generation. So it allows us to approach each mediation with specificity. It allows us to tailor our responses to what our clients' needs are.
Well, I'm primarily a family law mediator, and so in that context, I'm helping people restructure their families and their finances after going through a divorce or breakup most of the time. So in that context, if you go to court, sometimes you're trying to present to someone who these parties have never met, their kids have never met, kids never will meet. And sometimes you're trying to boil down 20 years of information into one day. And our judges mean well and they try very hard, but it is very difficult for them to understand how certain things are so important to people. And in mediation, people can freely discuss those kinds of things. They can come up with solutions. It's much better for them to come up with their own solution because they're much more likely to follow it into the future.
The way that we're positioned right now is mediation has changed dramatically in the last 5 years because it used to be a second career. A lot of people would either be judges or serve as judges or spend 45 years in practice but not want to give it up. So they would start a mediation practice usually into their second half of their 60s and early 70s. That's changed with this group. This group has decided to make a primary focus of a practice, which means that we do it every single day, which means that we're driven to do it the right way.